Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Julia and this is my daughter Melody. So in this video we are doing goodie bags, Halloween goodie bags for her classroom, and these are here are one of the goodie bags that we did, and hope you follow the video and you like it, and you like and subscribe, and don't forget to keep watching our videos, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
What?
So bye bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna show you how we make the goodie bags. We're gonna be using these treat bags. We've got everything is from Dollar Tree. So we're gonna be using this one. So we have two styles. This one and the one with the jack-o'-lanterns, pumpkins. And there's about 24 to 25 students. We might do extras.
Why is it not cutting anymore?
Okay, it's fine. Okay, so here is one goodie bag for you. Melody's gonna show you how she does one, and I will do another one.
I will do these ones and you do the others, okay? So I'll do these types.
So we're gonna be using this. It's a little witch, and I have this one, which is a spider. I think those are the only options we have. It's the witch and the spider, and it comes.
For boys and girls are the witches.
And it comes in 2 packets, and each packet has a 6 piece. So I will be doing a witch, and I will put it in this bag.
I don't want to do
What about you, Melody? What are you doing?
I am going to be doing for the beginning. For beginning, I'm doing erasers. For the beginning, I'm doing erasers. I don't know if you can see.
It's easier to start with the foam craft.
Oh yeah.
Because then it's going to be more difficult to put it in.
Actually,
But if you have all this stuff.
Actually, I'm going to start with the spider.
And the spider?
Yeah, I'm going to do the spider. Oh, that's a... Okay,
So since this one, the rings, there's 50, I'll be doing 2 in each bag. So we're going to be using 2 rings in each bag, okay?
Okay.
Doesn't matter, I'm just going to grab whatever I see. And we have some stickers. These are felt stickers. Little bat and pumpkin, and I got 2 packets of those. So you can use 1 or 2 of the stickers. Yeah. And here's the rings. We also have some hands. Bones. It's a packet of 10, and it looks like this.
This one, I got a green one and a purple.
Green and purple. I'm just going to put 1 inside. Also, we have pencils. We have 2 different kinds. This one.
Well, I'm making mine.
Stripes, and jack-o'-lanterns, and eyes. So instead of candies, we're just adding little goodies.
I'm not going with pencil. I'm going to go with one of these ones that's in these pack. Flavored,
You want one? The ghost?
yeah.
Okay, let's see how I open this.
So whatever's like left over, me and Dylan could actually keep.
Of course.
Yes. It goes.
Be careful, Melody. We also have these notepads.
Oh yeah.
These are the two styles.
This one is a boy one. I'm gonna be doing the haunted house.
I'll be using this one.
Are you making a good one?
Doesn't matter. It's whoever gets it, it's fine. And we have these, it's like a surprise. I'm not sure how this works, but if you look, let me see if I can put it close to the camera. So it just looks, I'm not sure what's the point of this. Just for kids to play.
Let's go there anyway. Can you help me? Like I was down after those ones, how we go with these?
I think there's one open. Look.
Okay.
This one's open.
Should I support it?
Hold on. Move.
As you can paint this, and you can also use it as an ornament.
Yes. Now we're gonna wait for Melody to finish her goodie bag.
And I'm missing anything.
I hope you got everything. Did you put an eraser?
Yes.
Wooden figure?
Yes.
One of these toys?
Yes.
Notepad?
Yes.
Eraser?
Yes.
A hand?
Yes.
Pencil?
Stickers? Yes.
Stickers?
And rings? Yes.
And rings? And this thing? Okay. Oh, you got it.
Okay, are we gonna go for the next one?
Yes. So for the next ones, I think we're just gonna do it live.
No.
So I don't want to make the video too long.
No. You shouldn't do that.
Because that's gonna make the video go way too long. It's already
So
10
we'll
minutes.
start the live like right now?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're gonna do it live, guys.
Right now.
So hopefully you guys watch our lives. Sometimes we go live on Sundays around 3:30. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I will go to our live.
See you guys in the next video.
Yes.